So, welcome back to the class. As you know that today we are having EVS. Okay. So, you are ready now? Okay. So, let us start. Okay. First of all, in our previous class, okay, in our previous class I have given you one homework. Okay, first of all, mute your microphone, not my micro, mute your microphone and switch off your front camera, okay, so that you can hear properly. Okay. Mute your own microphone, not my microphone. Okay. Now you can hear me? Yes, Anushka. Anushka, can you hear me now? Okay. Those who have muted my microphone, those who have mute my microphone, please unmute it. Okay. You don't mute my microphone, you mute your own microphone. Okay. Okay. Now before I start, let me have, yes, all of you, good morning. Good morning everyone. So we are doing our workbook, no? We are solving chapter number 3, water or water. First of all, I have given you one homework from the workbook. Okay, it is from page number 12, number 4. Number 4. Okay, so we will do that one first, solve that one. Then I will start new chapter, our first school. So this is, I am doing, this is chapter 3, water or water. Water or water. Okay, workbook. All of you please see that you have done your work, or if you have not done, do it now. All of you have done your work, I think. Yes? Okay. So let me solve this one. It is from page number 12. Okay. Number 4. It is unjumble the letters, unjumble the letters to get water body's name. Okay. Now you cannot hear. Please, anyone having mute my microphone, please unmute it. Those who have mute my microphone, unmute it. Hello? Can you hear? Anushka, can you hear me? See here. See here, I will do this one. Number 1, AKLE. What is the answer? Mute. They are telling mute my microphone, sir. I cannot hear. Okay. Can you hear now? Anushka, can you hear me now? Okay. See here, first one, this will be lake. Number 2, VRIRE. This is river. Number 3, RAETMS. RAETMS. This will be stream. 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 Okay. Number 4, DONP. It will be pond. You must do this work carefully, okay? All of you must do this work carefully and must do your work. This can be a question, okay, in your paper, exam paper. Now, number V, that is number 5, it is REFTA. REFTALWLA. It is waterfall. 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 Okay. So once again I am repeating this one. Number 1, if you have to unjumble the letters, actually that means you have to rearrange the letters to form the name of some water bodies. See, first one lake, LAKE, second one is river, RIVER, third one is stream, STREAM, fourth one is pond, fifth one is waterfall. Okay. Okay, now I have given also fun activity. You can do this work by yourself, no need of showing me. I have given this as homework also. I have told you draw pictures of different types of container used for storing water in your house. Also write their name. You will draw there in the space given here, box, white space, you will do there. Okay. Suppose you are drawing tank, you can write overhead tank, buckets, you can bottle, water bottle or bottles, earthen pot, jugs, any. 3 or 4 pictures you will draw there, 3 or 4. Okay. So, you can also do next page also, next page, page number 13 also you can do. Page number 13 also, you can do in your workbook. Okay. That one, paste pictures of some water bodies from where you get water, write their names as well. Suppose you are paste, you will paste, not draw. Okay. You just collect the pictures of suppose a river or a pond or a lake or waterfall, you write, paste it and write the name. Okay. So, we have completed this one chapter water from the workbook. Now, we will continue with the textbook. All of you must open your textbook now. Okay. Yes, very good, those who have shown, very good, that one, very good answer. You will do that as homework also, I have given you. Now, all of you must open your textbook now, chapter number 4. Okay. Chapter number 4, I am rubbing this one. Okay. Those who are please, those who are with the class now, attending the class, please, I am requesting you, you mute your own microphone. Okay. And one thing, switch off your front camera, switch off your front camera, please. Okay. Now, we will start chapter number 4, that is our first school, our first school. This is from textbook. Okay. Page number, I am starting from page number 25. You see from page number 25. You see page number 25 in your textbook. Okay, switch off your front camera, please. Switch off the front camera, please. Okay. See here, our first school. All of you please hear it, and all of you must have your book with you. Linoy Shaha, please switch off your front camera. Okay. See, our first school, we learn so many things when we come to school. Yes, of course, that is a great knowledge where we are getting our knowledge, every knowledge there. We are studying every subject. We are studying GK, we are studying Bengali, we are studying English, we are studying maths, science, everything. Okay. So, we are getting every knowledge from there. So, we learn so many things when we come to school. But do you know which is our first school? Yes, it is our family. So, our first school is family. You can underline there. Our first school is family. You will underline there. We learn so many things from our family. Yes, this is term 1. We have already started term 1. Water also in term 1. Actually, we are doing term 1. That PT1 already we have completed before. Okay. Understood, Waindrila? We have already started. We have started in science also. We have also started here. Water is also in term 1. So, let us come back where I am explaining. We learned so many things from our family, much before we learned from anywhere else. This is because we were so close to our family. So, our family is our first school. We learned so many things from our family, because we are so close to our family. Okay, but we really never give it a thought. Let us think about our family and talk about it. So now your work, one work, draw or paste a picture of your family. You will paste a picture of your family there in the box. You cannot draw it, so you will paste a picture of your family. Okay. Next one also there is a question, who all are there in your family? Who all are there in your family? Write their names and how they are related to you. This is also very easy. Suppose I am showing you one, you will have to do by yourself because I do not know the name of your family members. All of you will do by yourself. Okay? Suppose you are writing your father's name, you will write your father's name first, then relationship. Okay? Who all are there in your family? Write their names and how they relate to you. Suppose name and relationship. Okay. Okay, so how will you do this one? Very easy, you will write the name. Okay. Suppose I am writing one. Ravi Shankar. Okay, if you don't write this one, you don't write this one, I am just showing you. Okay, I am just showing you. You will write your own name of the members. Okay, you will write your own. Suppose I have told Ravi Shankar. Suppose he is related to me as my father, so I will write here father. Okay. This way, write the name of brother also. Aniruddha, you can understand this one? Yes, okay, very good. You will write your own name of the members. Okay, I have written here, just an example I have shown here. You will not write this one, you will write your own. You will write your father's name first, then you will write father, mother's name, then mother, brother's name, brother, sister's name, sister, this way. Okay, you will do this work by yourself. Suppose I am writing here Jayashree. Suppose she is my mother, I am writing here mother. Okay, this we will write. Father, mother, brother, brother's name also you can write. Sister. If you have uncle, you can write uncle name also. Uncle, aunt. Okay, this way you will write down. This is from first page I have told. All of you will write by yourself. Okay. So let us go to the next page, page number 26. You will do this as homework. Okay, you can do this now also. Okay, very good. You can do this as homework also. I have written some relationship. You will write your father's name, mother's name, brother's name, sister's name, uncle's name, aunt's name. Okay. Now, next page, page number 26. Page number 20, we will go to page number 26. Okay. So, I am rubbing this one now. Page number 26. See, again this one, write the relationship between any two members of your family such as husband, wife, brother, sister, mother, daughter. How you to do this one? Names of two members. Oh, I have to do the column wise. So, I will write in this way. I will draw one line. You will do, just see what I am doing. Okay, all of you please follow what I am doing on the board. Here, names of 2 members of your family. Here in this column, their relationship. Names of 2 members of your family, then their relationship. It is also very easy to do name of 2 members. Suppose you are writing your father, I have written here, suppose 2 members. So, I am writing Ravi Shankar, I am just showing you, do not write this one. Okay, I am just showing you as an example, do not do this one. Ravi Shankar, and here I have written Jayashree. So, how they are related? The relationship is husband wife. You will write here husband wife. Okay, this way you will write. Okay, all of you follow, I think. Okay, I think this is clear to you. You will write the name of 2 members. Suppose you are writing your name and your sister name. Okay, they are related as brother and sister. Okay. Okay, this way, or you are writing your father's name and your mother's name, and so they are related as husband wife. This way you will write. Okay. So, I am rubbing this one. This also you will do by yourself. This is your homework also. You will do. So, I am rubbing this one. Now, today only this 2 page we can do today. Last one, what is there? Let us see. Last one. What do your family members call you lovingly? Means your pet name, means what they call you. Suppose your name is Aniruddha. Okay, Aniruddha, I am telling to you. I am just taking your name. Aniruddha, it is your school name. School students know you, your friends know you. But you have a pet name. Okay, they will your mother, father, and everyone in the family call you by that name. Okay, that name you will write. What do your family members call you lovingly? Do you have a pet name? In Bengali it is called Daknam. Okay, pet name. How do you call your family members? How do you call your family members? Look at the picture carefully. Okay, 2 persons in the picture look a lot like each other. How do you think they are related? See here. First of all, you write your pet name there. Okay, and then there is another question. How do you call your family members? Look at the picture carefully. How will you call? You will call your mother as Ma, father as Papa or Baba. Okay, this way, this one. You will also do by yourself this one. At the side you will write. No need of doing in the copy. You will at the side you will do. Another question, last question I will discuss today. 2 persons in the picture look a lot like each other. How do you think they are related? See the picture. See this person, this male person, male figure. Okay, this hair is curly hair. So, this girl is having the curly hair. So, how do they related look each other? Because they resemble the hair. See, the daughter resembles his father's hair, and this girl, she resembles her mother's hair. The yellow color dress. Okay, that girl is resembling her mother, and this girl with the pink dress, she related with his father, because her hair is also curly. Okay, this way this is a relation. So you will have to do this one. So next day I will discuss from page number 27. So that's all to everyone. Thank you and goodbye everyone.